Today's activity is going to be practicing number recognition. I'm going to give you a few ideas of activities that you can do with your student. You can then pick an idea, practice the activity with your students so that they can work on recognizing numbers. The first activity is fairly simple. I have a old oatmeal container that is empty and cleaned out, and I have cut a slit in the lid. Now you can use any container that you have on hand. It could be a cereal box that you cut a slit in, it could be a shoe box or a tissue box, an oatmeal container, a Pringles container, anything that you can cut a slit in for them to drop some numbers. So I have then also written numbers on these note cards. Very simple, I just cut them in half, wrote them with permanent marker. You can use any sort of number card that you have or any materials you have on hand at home. So what you will do is you will put 2 to 3 cards in front of your student and you will say, "Show me the 2." They will find the 2 and then you will have them slip the 2 into the container. Now sometimes we like to make it fun. We call it feed the monster. They feed the monster the number and the monster goes yum, 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 yum. So you can certainly make it fun that way too. Once again, you show them 2 numbers. You can say, "Show me the 3," or put the 3 in the container. They will find the 3, put the 3 in the container. That is a very simple way to practice number recognition. Another idea is with a game called Kaboom. So with this game, you can use popsicle sticks, you can use pieces of paper, but your student will be drawing one at a time, stating the number before moving on to their next turn. So they will reach into the container and draw a popsicle stick. I got the number 5. Your student will say to you what number they got, either using their verbal communication, their communication device, or if you don't have any of those available, you may take some of the number cards that you have on hand and you may say, "Okay, we drew the number 5. What number did we get?" And they will touch the 5 so that they're correlating 5, 5. Okay, now with this game, what's fun about it is every once in a while you have a stick that says kaboom. And when you draw the stick that says kaboom, you say kaboom! And all of your sticks have to go back into the cup. That is a fun way to practice number recognition as well. Okay, our next activity is a ping pong toss. So I have these cheap ping pong balls that I got from the Dollar Tree, but you could use any small ball that you can write on. And you would show your student 2 to 3 and say, "Throw the 10 in the container." So they would find the 10, you would give it to them, and they would throw it into the container. Or you could even say, "What number is this?" And once they answer correctly, then they get to throw the ball into the container. Our last activity that I'm going to show you is a perfect way to use up some of those Easter eggs that you have lying around from this past weekend. So I filled 5 Easter eggs with some numbers. And you could really use anything for this, but I thought Easter eggs would be fun. I filled them with some numbers. So I would have my student choose an Easter egg. So I'm gonna choose this one. You would have them open it and discover the number that is inside. This one is a 4. Okay, so you would have your student either state the number using verbal communication, a communication device, or once again, having them match what they found to a larger card. So you found a 4 in the Easter egg, where's the 4? And they would find 4. That is all the activity ideas that I have for you to practice number recognition. I hope you find one of the activities to work for you so that you and your student can practice together.